Introduction. Every single one of us has the drive to succeed. However, sometimes that drive is not always accompanied by the knowledge that we need in order to do so. Fortunately, there are many ways that you can gain the skills that are necessary in becoming a success. In fact, it can be broken down into simple step-by-step instructions so that you and anybody else can achieve their dreams. It can be so discouraging at times to know what you want to do with your life or your time, but be unable to understand where to start. It is one of the most difficult things in life when you have a goal, but you do not actually have the tools that you need to see it through. Nobody deserves to be discouraged that way, and we can all overcome this obstacle with time and persistence. It takes patience to achieve something great, but if you are unable to begin, then you will never end up where you want to be. In this training, you're going to be handed all the tools that you will need in order to become a success. A lot of people believe that the only way to accomplish a goal is to plan for every step of the way, and in a way that can be true. However, some of us are more motivated when our plans are loose and freeing, and we are able to modify them to suit our schedules and our lives. No matter what kind of person you happen to be, you can succeed and you can achieve your dreams. In this training, you're going to find out a lot more about yourself than you have probably ever considered before, because one of the most important things that you must do in order to achieve success is to know yourself inside and out. People who do not know themselves are unable to predict their own flaws and shortcomings and plan for them. When you can't plan for the ups and downs, then success is often very elusive. That doesn't mean that it is impossible to succeed. As long as you're open and honest with yourself about your goals and your shortcomings, then you have all the tools that you need in order to begin working away at your most important plans. Make sure that you are serious about beginning before you read this training, because when you take that first step, there is no going back. Once you get started, there is no excuse that you can make in order to let yourself feel comfortable in slacking at your goals. There's a popular saying, where there is a will, there is a way. And that has never been more true when it comes to planning for your success. No matter how difficult it might appear, you're going to find that once the process of succeeding is broken down into a step-by-step format, there is nothing that you can't do. As long as you are willing to take on all of the work that needs to go into succeeding at your particular goal, then you're going to be a success. And sure, sometimes not every goal is going to be met. There are going to be ideas that, every once in a while, might need to go on the back burner or be given up entirely. That does not make you a failure. In fact, if you are willing to learn from these experiences and continue to move forward, all that they serve to do is to add to your success. If you want to be a well-rounded, confident, successful person, and you are hoping to achieve those dreams as soon as possible, follow this step-by-step guide to learn exactly what needs to be done in order to plan for your success and reap the harvest of your hard work as soon as possible. Let's start now.